time for the Intense 5. Tekashi 69 was held on racketeering charges and they have proof. I don't think this is going to end well.
Kim Porter, the mother of Diddy's children, passed away suddenly due to cardiac arrest. Really sad. Condolences to the family.
Dalton Harris's performance of Listen, mind-blowing. Finals, we say.
For sure.
Yeah.
Cardi B couldn't bother to put on a robe for a late night trip to CVS. All she had on was a short black nightgown and pink fuzzy slippers. Go Cardi, down to earth girl.
Oh boy. And finally holding the spot this week. How do you rack up 700 tickets and still be on the road? I don't get it. And it's not just one taxi driver, it's two. So that's over 1,400 tickets. Crazy. Cha-cha. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.